March 11, 2011. Japan faced the strongest quake in its recorded history. A magnitude 9.0 earthquake, the most powerful in Japan's history, struck off the eastern coast. 30 minutes later, the tsunami hit. Waves over 40 meters high crashed over seawalls and kept going far inland. Entire neighborhoods disappeared. Houses, trains, even schools gone in minutes. Over 15,000 lives lost. 450,000 left without homes. And then the Fukushima Daiichi nuclear plant failed. 3 reactors melted down. Radiation spread. It became the worst nuclear disaster since Chernobyl. The tsunami didn't just take lives, it reshaped Japan's coastline. Entire neighborhoods were redrawn. Maps had to be updated. Even the Earth's axis shifted by 17 centimeters.